So guys, here you see it, one more video has been came on the LeetCode channel. So in today's video, we are solving the name of count elements with maximum frequency. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question, and this question is based on two examples. And of the both of the examples, our explanation is also being included. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit all the notification bell also. But anyways, let's start to solve today's question in Python 3. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing game. So guys, you can see it, one more video has been came on the LeetCode channel. So in today's video, we are solving our count elements with maximum frequency. So let's start to solve today's question in Python 3. And in this question, there are the two examples are also being included. So we see the both of the examples stepwise. Okay. It has given me an array nums which is consisting of positive integers. We want to return the total frequencies of elements in nums such that those elements all have the maximum frequency. Okay. The frequency of an element is the number of occurrences of that element in the array. Okay. And please highlight it, these three words which I highlighted will be help you to solve the question. Please highlight it as positive word because this one it is giving me one array nums which is consisting positive integers. What? Positive integers. So if you see the example 1, here he created an integer array by name of nums in which he wrote in down 1, 2, 2, 3, 1 and 4, and then he wrote in down in the output 4. Why? Because the elements 1 and 2 have a frequency of 2, which is the maximum frequency in the array. So the number of elements in the array with the maximum frequency is 4. So that's why the output is coming 4. If you see the example 2, it is the same as here he created an integer array by the nums in which he wrote in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the output has been coming 5. Why the output has been coming 5? Let me tell you. Because all the elements of the array have a frequency of 1, which is the maximum. So the number of elements in the array with maximum frequency is 5. Okay, because if you see the largest number is also be 5 and the most maximum frequency is also be here 5. So that's why the output has been coming 5. So I am highlighting this word with a green. Okay, and there are the two constants, it has been also be included. So if you want to view it, if you have something problem to solve these type of questions, so you can also be view it, not a question. If you have your mindset has been not clear, so you can see these two constants also. Okay, so now we are solving our question 3005. You are thinking why I'm not solved 3004. I directly come 3005 because 3004 is log, so that's why. So this is a easy one question which we are solving, and this question there are the total 4 topics are included: array, hash table, counting, and weekly contest 380. And this question in today's question there are the 2 hint are also be included, by the way, but we do not view it. Okay, because if you see the previous question, then previous question, in the in this week all the question are coming of a hint. Okay, only in the Monday, which on the Tuesday or Monday, on the Tuesday and Monday, these 2 video I uploaded, but in that 2 video there is not any hint. But on Wednesday, Thursday, and then till Friday, and then till Saturday, there is a many hint questions are coming. Okay, if you view. Okay, but anyways, we do not view any hint. We will be solve these type of question with our own brain. Okay, and I also be suggest you to do not see any hint. Okay, solve these type of question with your own brain. Okay, but if you are weak, so you can view it. Def class solution, def max frequency elements self comma nums. Okay, hash equals to 0 multiply by 101, max frac equals to 0, ans equals to 1, sorry, back ans equals to 1 for num in nums. Enter, then define here hash num plus equals to 1 perfect for loop h in range 1 comma 101. Okay, if hash h equals to max frac. And now perfect. So when we wrote down these type of codes, so we define ans plus equals to hash h, and then elif hash and then h and then greater than max frac. Okay, now when we do this all the code, so we then elif hash and these type of code we have written down, and now we define here max frac, right, ans plus and then max frac equals to hash equals to h, ans equals to max frac. Perfect. So we have written about these codes till here. Define here else, okay, else statement, and then continue statement will be continue. It will be means that I say in this line here I said that stop at one line. Okay, means like there's a one, I created a one list of banana and I say after the banana stop. Okay, then after the banana then give me all the list names or all the list things. Okay, so now anyways let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so now the running code has been accepted. Here you can see it, the case 1, the expected output is 4, my also output has been coming 4. In the case 2, the expected output is 5 and my also output coming 5. And we solved the question number 3005 by count elements with a maximum frequency, and this is an easy one question which we solved. Let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, so now the submission code is also be accepted and I beat 47.87% people. So let's post this. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more learning these type of tutorials. And from my solutions you can also be copy it. Here you can see it from my solutions. So you can see it here, my solution will be also become, when you click onto the Python 3, so then you will come down, then here my name and my solution will also become. Here you can see my solution has become Rayyan big, so you can open it and just copy from here and then paste this from my solution. You will also be copy it, so it will be make my profile better. Okay, but anyways I hope you enjoyed today's video. So let me meet you in the next video, and next very amazing video like this. So for today we're good, bye.